Alright guys, so you guys already know how this goes. The people always find something to do, but I'm in Brooklyn this weekend. Like, I'm not even home. But guys, so me and Shy, we about to go to the city. We're gonna see if we can find 2 outfits or something. I got 1 outfit, so I'm gonna need another one, and she needs 2 outfits. And then yeah, we just gonna go to this seafood place on a boat, courtesy of Naomi, because she's talking about on a boat. And then I have to drop off 2 outfits for somebody, and it just so happens that they're also in the city, so it's a 2-for-1 special. Y'all, this lady is on the bus and she's putting sanitizer. Oh my gosh, she packed it up. She was putting sanitizer on a napkin, bro, and she was wiping herself. Like, I guess somebody must have bumped her, so that's what she started doing. Like, this Brooklyn shit be having me weak, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. Alright guys, so
oh, you look fabulous. Oh,
period. Y'all, I look like a bum. He was just gassing it for the vlog, but it's alright. So we just made it to the fuck. I gotta get out of here. First we on the train, the man taking pictures of the lady, like, bro. So we took pictures of him. If I feel like being generous, I will insert the pictures of the man in the clip, because why you out here taking pictures of people? Bro, my God, he took like 15 plus pictures of this lady, bro. Like, just snapping. Right there where it says Hilton. Oh, you see Aladdin though, right? It's right after that. So, yeah, we in the city. We have to go drop off this outfit, well, 2 outfits for this girl. Hopefully if she feel comfortable getting in the vlog, I could like get a, you know, clip of her with the thing, like, or whatever. So that's good. But we outside, we thirsty, we hungry. That's serious. I just got 2 dresses, and now we're at McDonald's. Welcome to the new way of life, thanks to coronavirus. Shit is real. And this is a new McDonald's that they just opened up over here, or whatever the case may have been. So I'm just getting, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm getting. So I'm gonna get they have slushies. Blue raspberry.
I'm mad thirsty. I'm about to be on a hot ass boat.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Gotta pay. Guys, so we are in the station. We are going back home so we can change, so we can do this little boat thing or whatever. There's something juicy is going on. Oh, we missed it. Something juicy going on. I'm about to right, guys, so we getting ready to leave. This my little cousin 99. Say hi, Nala. Hi. She playing because she be watching the vlogs on the YouTube and stuff. You know, this the y'all always see. All right, guys, so we getting ready to leave. This my little cousin 99. Say hi, Nala. Hi. She playing because she be watching the vlogs on the YouTube and stuff. You know, this the y'all always see her. Y'all don't see Raven, but this is Raven. Raven has a YouTube channel. Go ahead.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Just Ray.
Okay, we gonna write it on
Subscribe
the
to Lee.
period. What you talking about? This is Naomi. Show me your face. Look at that. What they say? City girls.
Nah, you're a dub.
All right, y'all. We out. Cause for me, we gotta go to the city. First of all, no mask on my face. That's issue number 1. But I'm walking outside. All right, y'all. So we reached where we going. We at the pier.
Talk about, period.
This girl won't stop singing.
Walk in, walk out.
What the fuck is all the talk about?
She's annoying.
She is annoying. No, baby. I'm no.
Period.
Y'all all walking over there with no mask. I think this the line right here. The line, no?
Oh, this is the line?
Oh yeah, we do have to get tickets. That's all. We didn't print
Tickets.
Yeah, if we didn't print them out, you have to go to the ticket booth to get it printed.
That's different.
Facts, like this is 2020.
Exactly.
You mean to tell me you don't got a scanner? All right, y'all. So boat shit went left. So now we in Williamsburg. Came to eat. So we're gonna see how that goes. But let's just see. Cause who knows? Where we going to?
Have a good night, Mom.
This is what I'm saying, but you can't. I mean, he wasn't driving bad. I know that.
Yeah.
He
Like let's just establish that one time.
Yeah, he is wrong.
Period. Period. Look at this one, y'all. What you doing?
Drinking, you know the vibes. You know my body. You know how I be.
Period.
Shit me or you kidding me?
Period.
Shit me or you kidding me?
What? Period. She took the words out of my mouth. I ain't even got nothing to say.
Walk in, walk out.
What the fuck is all the talk about?
Period.
I can't see her. Bitches hear the song for the first time. No, but that line was fire. We can't front. That line took the cake. It took the cake. It took the cake.
That's a one way right here.
Whew. Sunset cute or whatever. But we outside, y'all. We in this shit. All right, y'all. So while we get to the place, they like an hour and a half wait. So at this point,
Do it look like we made? Okay.
all right, y'all. So after 5 hours, we finally made it to here, bro. Finally. We're at Suede in Brooklyn. Sick, bro. I'm just ready to eat. Let me show y'all the menu. All right, y'all. So this is day 2 attempting, but she said it was hot. Attempting to do this thing. As y'all can see, I look fake just like yesterday, which tells you that I'm not motivated to go. But parking already paid for, ticket already paid for, so we gotta go. It is what it is. We waiting in front of the car right now. For me, letting that hot air ease out. You know the vibes. Same dress from yesterday, just different color. No funny, y'all. I went to elementary school right down the block. All right, y'all. We here. We love. And the boat is already here. Did you see? So we just gonna walk like some bad bitches. So how do you feel now that we made it on the boat?
I mean, bad bitches only do yachts, okay? Yesterday they had like a little tiny boat and we had to tell them like, we're not getting on that. You know? We're not gonna do that. We're gonna come back today, give us our drinks, let us off free, and we wanna go in the big boy. You feel me? Big boys only.
Period.
Shitting me?
Period. All right, y'all. So you guys already know what time it is. What time is it, Anaya? What are we doing right now? What are we doing right now? What are we doing right now? Period. You guys see this? I told y'all, if you're in Brooklyn, it's plates on plates on plates. Like, period. Your food plug Naya. I don't know how many times I gotta write it in the description box, but let's get it. Like, what it say? What? Period. That's. I am officially home. This weekend, guys, overall, I don't know. Unnecessary money spent. That's why I don't make you go outside. But it is what it is, I guess. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys in another vlog video. Vlogio. I'll catch you guys in another vlogio. Next vlog might just be for my birthday though, honestly, guys. Next vlog maybe my birthday vlog. Birthday vlog next. That's really it. Later. Alright, lay on the beat and the beat gets sicker. Real bitch coming through your speak like bigger. Everybody knows she ain't fucking your nigga. Pull up on the scene, she gon' count up her figures. Real pretty bitch, I'm coming through the scene now. Run up on the spot, all my niggas gotta tear it down. Period, I'm done. That's all I